Hi folks, this is Lee Gettess with the Market Sense for the week of July 12th, 2011. The charts we'll look at come from the Trade Navigator software by Gettess Financial Technologies. And the first chart we look at is the weekly bond market. Bonds have had a pretty strong up move here. Well, they had a long-term up move that lasted several weeks and then just a 1 week break down to obvious support, and then it turned back up again. That's a pretty bullish signal, and they've actually already gone to new highs so far this week. This 124.24 area acted as really good support when they gapped up over it on the open and kind of jumped up from there. There is resistance in the 127.20 to 128 area that could slow them down, possibly. I mean, our indicator down here indicates a potential loss of momentum in that area, so it's possible that could halt them for a while. But I got to tell you, at the end of the week, we're running into a 30-year bond auction, as well as retail sales, PPI, CPI. Boy, unless those are really bad, I think they can probably go higher. And, who knows? Even these old highs back over here from last year are definitely in play, I think. But obviously, we have to see how they deal with the reports at the end of the week. Now, moving into stocks, stocks have broken down pretty hard. They had an amazing run up actually, and after a several week down, they popped up really hard, and it's a little unusual for them to rally back this hard and then fail to make new highs. I mean, they've come awfully close to these old highs here without making it, and then turned down kind of harsh, big gap down over the weekend. It's very possible that this support right in here, which is, I guess we could call it 1305 for round numbers, that support could be enough to get them to climb back up again and possibly even make new highs. Now, they might very well be in trouble once they do that. But here again, I'm wondering about all the reports at the end of the week, Thursday, Friday, with retail sales, PPI, and then CPI on Friday. I'm wondering if that might be enough to jolt them one way or the other. I mean, either they're going to turn off of the support and go to new highs, and then possibly be in trouble from there, but at least go to new highs, or they're going to leave this as a failure at that high. And if that's the case, this could get really ugly. I mean, they could turn down from here and blow out below all of this and just, ugh. But at this point, I think you have to look at that as potential support there in the 1305 area. If they break that, 1280 is the next target. But I think if they like the reports and if they can hold this support, we're looking at the 1355 area or possibly up into 1360, 1370. And again, the indicator down here indicates that we could be right at a little kiss point there, so the support could hold in that vicinity. Again, the reports at the end of the week are probably the big deciding factor, although, gosh, we're getting Italy and all kinds of news coming out of Europe now that could impact it as well. So they're finding new things to impact them all the time. So that's what we've got for you today. I sure hope you can find something profitable to get yourself into. Thanks for checking in with us.